Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I have a recipe for you for a quick and easy, no bake nut cookie. They have turned out absolutely yummilicious. I've made a batch fresh out of the refrigerator and here's what they look like, and let me do a taste test. They look so beautiful and absolutely amazing. So here's my taste test. Crunchy, crispy, and yummilicious. So we're standing in my kitchen. Let's get cooking. So let's begin. In a little blender, you put 1 cup of pecan nuts, half a cup of almonds, and we're going to give them a little pulsing so that they break into little bits. It's nice to have a few big ones and small. Now I'm going to be roasting these nuts in a pan. No oil, no butter needed. Now I've added half a cup of hemp seeds, shelled hemp seeds, and half a cup of pumpkin seeds. We are carrying on with the roasting, and now I've added half a cup of coconut flakes, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt, and carry on roasting them. Now that they're nicely toasted, we are going to put it in a mixing bowl and allow it to cool down a bit. Now this is a very important ingredient: 100 grams of cacao butter. This is what makes it shelf stable. 1 cup of a brown sugar sweetener, and 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Don't miss out on the cacao butter. That's what keeps it shelf stable and gives it that yummilicious taste. Let all this melt on the stove top. Add it into your nut and seed mixture. Make little rounds on a parchment paper or a silicone mat, because they're going to be going into the freezer for about an hour or 2. And after it comes out of the freezer, this is what they look like. Absolutely amazing and perfect to have with your hot cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe and